Here's a video about our IPD4FLB. Inside the box you get an Allen key, and that Allen key is to unscrew these two holes. If you're unscrewing any cameras open, please make sure when you put them back in, you put them in securely, because they have gaskets, and if not put in back properly, they'll leak and you'll void their warranty. So the camera, this video is all about how to position this camera. You can angle this eyeball to a certain degree. As per specs stated on there, they'll say how many degrees you can angle this camera here and here as well. This is the most, I think it's like a straight 90-degree shot if you were to mount this on a ceiling, looking down, just perpendicular to the ceiling. And then you can also, it has some degrees stated on here. Just be careful when you're rotating any cameras. This is my first time doing it as well. We'll see what it does. Here we go. The camera eyeball rotates, just so, not the outer plastic piece. And then back. Now, one thing to note about this camera that I just noticed, it has a photo sensor right there. You don't want to obstruct it with anything. So when you're mounting the camera, be careful that you don't get it obstructed by one of these metal ridges, or if you have some shadow coming on there, it'll keep causing the camera to turn its IR on and turn on the black and white mode. That's pretty much it. And then the other way around as well. This is most likely to orient the camera's sensor, so the picture is right side up. That's probably what that's for. And there is a microphone in here. So this is the inlet for the audio to go into the microphone. Just don't put any water on there. If you do, it'll mess up the microphone. That's pretty much it. And when you want to mount the camera, you just basically drill holes in there. So in order to mount this camera, you actually have to take off the casing, mount the camera, screw it in, and then put the casing back on. Now keep in mind, when you're drilling holes, you always want to make some pilot holes behind the camera. First, use a pencil or something, mark the holes, make pilot holes, drill those, put anchors. These things come with screws and anchors. Put the anchors in, and then use a manual hand-driven screwdriver like this, not a drill, to put the camera in, because if your drill slips and goes onto the camera, you've broken your camera. Thanks for watching.